We're over in Mendocino and we have a beautiful oceanfront view. And there is Noki. He's with us. Hi, Ren.
Hi, I'm reading the Mendocino and the Movies book.
And we have a wonderful cottage that we're staying in. And I'm sure these pictures are just not doing it justice, but it is so gorgeous that I needed to show you. Overlooking the ocean right here, there's fog coming in and it's rolling by very slowly as the sun is just now coming out. I don't know if you can see it moving along. And there is the main house that the owners live in. And here is a deck with a hot tub. We enjoyed that last night. Here's the rest of the tour. So tile floors. This is our heater. It's a fireplace. It's so comfortable. It's just so comfortable here. They brought us wine. They have little special goodies. We brought some of this stuff, but they gave us a whole bunch of stuff. And the kitchen is fully stocked. Renee said there's even a Cuisinart here, and a blender and a coffee maker. The coffee was provided. Spice jar. We used that toaster oven, refrigerator, and freezer. So I'll show you. The bathroom is really nice too. So I'm showing you this just in case you really feel like relaxing someday and staying in a really nice cottage. So once again, that's their house, and you should see the grounds. We'll film that a little bit later. And here's the bed. No, we didn't make it. I didn't make the bed afterwards. Okay, so that's it for the cottage. See you a little bit later. So this is the outside of the cabin. And here's Nuki. He's having such a good time. He actually is off leash. And there's another dog called Callie. And Callie says, come out and play. Oh, and I hear her barking. Or somebody barking. And these grounds are beautiful. Mom, if you thought you had too much gardening, this is too much gardening. And there's another little guest house of some kind over there. As far as I know, nobody's staying there. But look at this beautiful meandering path. Nookie, get that ball. Yeah, I hear the dogs barking. They want to come out and play. Maybe they'll let Callie out. This is Noki and Callie. Maybe they're going to play. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he goes crazy. Noki, get her. Where's Callie? Go get her. Good boy, Noki. Good boy. Are you tired? Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Good boy. She takes 2 steps and she just bounds away so fast and so far.
Nice playful dog.
Yeah. One more, Noki. Come on. One more. Get her, get her.
why he was whining.
He wanted to play.
She was out there and we weren't letting him play.
Good boy, Noki.
Yeah,
Good boy.
Callie
Good Callie.
Yeah.
Good Callie. Good Pops.
Off she goes. Oh, she's had enough. Oh, he hasn't.
Hi
Where'd she go?
there, Noki. So we're here at the Mendocino Cafe, and it's got outdoor seating for the dog, and there's the ocean, and we bought a really nice gift for Mom and Dad for their 50th wedding anniversary. So I won't tell what it is, just in case you see this video ahead of time. So anyway, hello. There's Noki. Noki. I wanted to share this beautiful little courtyard area right outside the Mendocino Cafe, where we had lunch just now. A whole bunch of very pretty flowers, arbor, and these are gorgeous roses. They're very frilly. And then these, I don't even know what they are. So beautiful.
And this is the overlook just behind the lighthouse. It's a drop, but it's not too far of a drop. Okay. Get the back of the lighthouse. And up with that lens again.
So this is one of the downtown blocks in Mendocino. A lot of water towers. Seems to be maybe a shortage, but I thought I'd take a picture of this. And I thought of Annette, and this is an artist studio under 2 water towers. And the sign says, "The artist is in."
Okay, this is the path that we use to get to the lighthouse. See that zooming in. It's about a half mile away to get to our car. This is the field to the side, and there is Soam.
And here's the dog.
And she's got a dog.
And so we're going to walk over there to the lighthouse, and we'll show you more in just a little while.
There it is. See ya. Okay, here we are at Point Cabrillo Lighthouse. And there's Soam, and we're looking out. And there's the dog. He's still with us. And here's the lighthouse. There we go. Okay. Here are the residences where the lighthouse workers used to live. They're under a historic renovation right now, and one of them is open and one of them is not. Nice little houses.
Okay, get your ball. Get that ball. It's sand. Where's your ball? Noki, get your ball. Get it. Where's the ball? This way. Where's your ball? Get it. Find it. Where's the ball? Find it.
Where's your ball?
Where is it? Find it. Ball. Come on. Bring it. Come on. So this is Caspar Beach. They say no dogs off leash, but we had him off leash for a little while. He played with that chocolate Labrador over there. Hi Noki, did you have a good time digging? We're at the Mendocino Fort Bragg Botanical Gardens. and we're going to be walking to the coast. We're now in an exhibit of fuchsias and begonias. All the pretty flowers. Oh, there's Randy. And we hear hummingbirds that have wandered their way into this exhibit. I don't think so. Not those. They look like begonias.
Yes, begonias.
They're begonias.
That's beautiful.
This is a very beautiful hydrangea. And watch out. It's a big spider. This attractive gate keeps the deer out of the special dahlia exhibit. Okay, he was barking at these scarecrows. Nookie, quiet! Here's the vegetable garden. Lots of huge pumpkins. Look at the size of these pumpkins. Big pumpkin patch. Another vegetable garden. The vegetable garden has just about everything, including chard and star squash, row after row. Everything is in the open sunlight because it's so mild here. This is an amaranth plant. We assume if it's in a vegetable garden that it's edible, surrounded by parsley and lettuce in the center. Very pretty. So the sign says it all. It says, "Come and play." And this is going to be the dahlia exhibit. Thousands of pretty bright flowers. Aren't they beautiful?
Gosh.
They're huge. These dahlias are so beautiful. There are just thousands of them. They're all just so beautiful. Each one is so different. Some of them have frayed style petals. Some are little circles just like that. They all have very geometrical and uniform shape to them. All different colors. How about this one? Like little fireworks. Millions of them. I think this is probably my favorite. These are just huge. They're like 8 inches across. So at the end of the botanical garden is a lovely view of the bluffs and the coast. There's Rin, and here's the puppy. Noki, are you tired? Noki, are you tired?
Exhausted.
We had to consider carrying him for a little while because he was limping. This is called Cliff House. So it's an indoor location that you can come in the botanical gardens to get away from the wind. So it's all glassed in. We're out on the coastal bluffs. Some very pretty waves and rocks. So we're back at the cottage right now, and we had a really nice full day. We went over to the gardens, and now we're just gonna relax and sit around the cottage. And that is a view of where we're staying right now. So I don't think I got a good picture of it before. So what we're gonna do now is head through the special path. And there's a surprise at the end. Beautiful ocean and a waterfall. We walked over there, which is 10 acres that's adjacent to the property, and we're allowed to go walking on it. It's owned by people who hardly ever come out here, if you can even believe it. And here's Noki. Hello, little boy. Did you have a good time today? Noki, did you have a good time? That's a good boy. Here comes Ren with a cup of coffee.
Here I am.
So Noki loves Doberman pinchers. greyhound. Oh gosh, she just barreled right through these tall bushes. Where's Callie? Doki, go get Callie.
Oh, he's tired.
Oh, he's having a good time. So here it is on a beautiful sunny day, and this is from the opposite side. There's a special rock right there where the evening waves just come smashing right in there, and it almost shakes the whole hillside. So anyway, we're gonna take one last walk out to the bluff. Hi, Ren.
Hi, we are here on the bluff now, and this is Soan. I will zoom in, and you can see how pretty she is. And behind her, we have the lighthouse. Off in the distance, that's where we went walking. We went walking over there. And then, if we pan over, we can see some beautiful houses. That one's got a little bench on the rocks. And that's the house that we were staying at. And that's it. And this is the beautiful view from the bluff. You can see all the rocks.
10 acres that we get to walk on.
10 acres that we get to walk on.
At the cottage at Mendocino.
There you go. And now I'll bring you back to Soan. See ya.
Bye. So we are leaving the cottage now, and I wanted to show you the entrance on how you get into the cottage, which I'm not sure that we actually did before. So follow me and you'll see where the cottage starts. Here's all the little yellow flowers over here. Instead of grass, it's Johnny Jump-Ups.
And a puppy. Always gotta have the puppy. And here's where we started the tour before. See ya.
Well, this is the end of our trip, and we are over at Skoma's restaurant in Sausalito. So we're having a really good time. Show them the view of what we're looking at.
Okay.
And it's a very nice harbor view. And nobody's very, very tired. Shine down this way. Show Sausalito. Downtown Sausalito. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed our travels with us, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
And me too.
And Renee too. And the dog. He's down here. Noki. Good boy. Say goodbye. Okay. Bye.